Hey everyone, so today's video I'm going to share with you how to create a paperclip flip book. I'm using some paper clips that I had purchased a long time ago from Hobby Lobby. So there were 3 different sizes in this jar. There was this huge large one here. And this is about, I don't even know if they even carry this anymore. So this is about almost 4 inches. And then we got this size. This is about 3 inches. And then we have this one's about 2 inches. So if you want to get them from other places, those are the measurements. And then I use this punch that I picked up a while back as well by the Paper Studio. Not sure you could see that. It creates a fishtail. And they still carry this at Hobby Lobby, so you can pick that up. And so these are the flip books that I made. So let me show you the different sizes. So this is using the 2.5 inch size. So there's 4 pages total. And the collection is by Snow and Coco. And it makes a cute flip book. As you can see, it just flips up like so. This will make a nice mini book as well if you want to add some photos. And I thought it turned out really cute. And then this is the cute little tassel. So you can hang a really fun charm on there. This is the 2-inch one. So you can see the difference in size. And then this is using the second paper clip, you know, the medium size. And it's really fun to make. So that's that one. And then for the smaller one, look how cute and tiny this one is. And this is the 1.5 inch size on the punch. So really cute little flip books that you can make. Okay, so let me just show you how quick and easy it is to make this. We're just going to create the base and then you can decorate however you want. Okay, so I already went ahead and punched out 3 and scored it. So we'll do the 4th one, and we're using the 2.5 inch size. So this is about 5 inches in length. These were 4 3/4 in length, but this one I did 5 inches. And then you're going to place it in the punch. Okay, and then it's going to create that fishtail. And then all you need to do next is score at 1/2 inch. So I scored at 1/2 inch on all 3 sizes. Okay, and then you just fold in that score line. So you're going to do that to all 4 pieces. So all the lengths are, you could do whatever length you want. You could. This is like, again, this is 4 3/4. This one is 5. So it, you know, it's however long you want it to be. And then I based it off of these 3, the widths. So there's the 1 inch. I'm sorry, the 1.5, 2, and then 2.5 on this punch. Okay. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to decide which is going to be the first, you know, the front. So I'll do this, and then I'll do this next, and then this will be the last page. Okay? And then this is going to go on the larger paper clip. So on the paper clip, all I did was I flipped it this way. You could put it however you want. And the only reason why I did it this way is because I wanted this part right here to be the top, and then I could just put my tassel or my embellishment to hang, and it's just easy to put it from the top. Okay, and then that way it won't fall out also too, because if I need the bottom part to be flat, you can see I need the flat part in order to put the page over it. Okay. So all you're going to do is just layer these on top of one another. So I'm just going to take some Beacon 3-in-1 glue, and then we're going to adhere this part. Really quick and easy, and you can make this really fast. And then you just do that. And then you layer the next one. And I use my hot glue gun for these. That's what made it even faster. Of course, with the wet glue, it's just going to take just a teeny bit longer for it to dry. Then just make sure your fishtails are all even. Okay, and then we'll do the last one. Okay. And then you're going to take the last page, okay, you're going to take that piece and you're going to place it over the paper clip. So just slide it through. So it should end up like that. And then I just make sure it's in the center. Okay, that looks good. And then we're just going to add some glue. Right, and then we're just going to glue it down. Just make sure these are all even. And then again, you can decorate it, you know, however you want and embellish it. And it makes a really cute flip book. So you just let this dry. It's quicker with a hot glue gun. So you just flip the pages like so. And then you just decorate it however you want. And then you add, you know, you add your charm. Just run it right through this part right here. And then it's gonna, you know, dangle on the side like that. And it makes a cute little flip book. And if you want to go even smaller and get a much smaller paper clip than this, you can. But you'll have to make the fishtail using your scissors, because this just makes the 3 sizes. But it makes a really cute project. So I hope you give it a try, and thanks for watching. Bye.